Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this week is actually pretty busy for me at university. I don't really have time to film like a normal video, and I also don't really have time to go to a fun place and film there. So this is why I'm making this video, because I thought the one thing that I still do even though I'm busy at university, I still eat, I still go out to eat, I still need food. So this video is kind of just like an eating out guide for vegans in Paris and even for non-vegans, because a lot of the restaurants that I'm going to talk about are actually not vegan, but they do have vegan and vegetarian options. So yeah, I hope you will find this interesting. I'm not really sure how long this video is going to be, because I think I just went to like 5 or 6 places this week. I usually don't really go out to eat. I said this before in one of my videos. I don't really go out to eat as much in Paris because A, it's expensive, B, sometimes I just don't have time. Yeah, I really prefer cooking at home and then just taking my food with me to university, but sometimes I just cannot be bothered to cook and then it's just easier to go out. So yeah, let's start with the video and with the places that I went this week to eat out. Before we start, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to this channel. I do a lot of videos about my student life in Paris, vegan food in Paris, some Korean drama stuff, fashion, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in these topics, please subscribe. And yeah, let's start the video. And my food is ready. So on Saturday, I went to a restaurant called Wild and the Moon. So I went to this restaurant before because it's quite popular here and they have many places all around Paris. This time I went to their restaurant at the Opera, but they actually have quite a few places all around in Paris. The one I went before I think was at Châtelet, and that one was a lot bigger. The one at the Opera is a lot smaller, but they do have the same menu pretty much in all of the restaurants. I think I even featured this one on my previous What I Eat in a Day Vegan in Paris video, because this is an all vegan, gluten-free, plastic-free, all-free kind of restaurant. So if you're into that kind of stuff, definitely check it out. This time I went with the soup of the day, which I do quite often because I love soups. This one was just, I think, a really simple veggie soup. It was really delicious. I really enjoyed it. We actually go to this place quite often with one of my friends. The whole concept of the restaurant is really cool. It's really eco-friendly, gluten-free, vegan, really like a conscious restaurant. It's really cool. The interior design of the place is really cool. It's really aesthetically pleasing, especially the one at Châtelet. So cool. It looks really cool. And they also have a lot of vegan and gluten-free like cakes, cookies, stuff like that. So yeah, if you're into that kind of stuff, definitely check out Wild and the Moon. Okay, so on Monday I went to this restaurant. Is this considered a restaurant? It's more like a burger place. Anyways, I went to this burger place called Black and White Burger, and I heard that this place actually was created by a French YouTuber, but I have no idea who that guy is, so I don't know. So anyways, I saw this place many times before while I was passing through Châtelet, but on Monday I went in because I wanted to try out their veggie burger. So actually this burger was vegetarian, but I asked them to remove the feta cheese, which made it vegan. So and I think this restaurant is actually famous because of their black burgers, and I have no idea what's in the burger. I have no idea why it is black, but it was really good. The bun was very soft and very delicious, and the vegan burger had like avocado cream, aubergine, pepper, and what else? I also got the french fries and it was really good. I actually never eat junk food. It's really rare for me to eat junk food. I think I eat junk food like like once a month or something.
I know, there's also a period, so it doesn't count.
Sometimes just once in a while, it's just really comforting to eat something super fatty. So yeah, it was really good. I definitely recommend it. As I just said, it's not a vegan place. The rest of their burgers have like meat and stuff like that in it. So maybe if you go with a friend who is not a vegetarian, but you guys still wanna like eat together, then yeah, definitely check out Black and White Burger.
She's so rude.
I actually noticed that there are a lot of veggie burger places in Paris, so that's pretty cool. I will definitely have to try it more in the future. On Wednesday, I went to a place called Piadine. I went to this place before actually. It's at Châtelet as well, and I love this place so much because the staff is always so nice. I always feel so welcomed, which is rare in Paris. I usually go to this place for the salads. It's kind of like a cafe. This place is not really a restaurant, so if you want to go for breakfast or brunch, or if you just want to eat something light like a salad, definitely check it out. So I had I don't really remember anymore the name of the salad that I had here. I think it was something like Sally something, but basically it was just avocado, some veggies, and some like Asian sauce, but it was really good. I think if you want to eat something really light, definitely check out Piadine, or if you just want to go for like a cafe or something with friends. And yeah, this place is actually not vegan either, but they have a lot of vegan options, vegan salads, stuff like that. So definitely check it out if you're ever in Paris. After that, I went to Sésame and Salt? English. What is that? So this is actually a Korean restaurant. They also have vegetarian and vegan options, which is really rare from a Korean restaurant. I had the vegan bibimbap. It was called something like yacha bibimbap or something like that, but basically it was just rice with veggies and also the panchan, the vegan side dishes. I mean, most of the Korean side dishes are vegan because it's just veggies, and the gochujang, which is like the spicy sauce.
It was so good.
Actually, my Korean friend that I went with said that this was actually the best restaurant that she ever had Korean food at. She said that most of the Korean restaurants in Paris are actually not that good, but she said that this one was really good. So yeah, if you're into Korean food and if you're vegan, check out Sésame because they have some options for you. Or even if you're not vegan and you just want to eat Korean food, also check it out. Okay, so and lastly, this is not really a restaurant, but I just really wanted to mention the name of this store, I guess, because I actually go here quite often between my classes. It's really easy to pick up food from this store. It's called Naturalia. It's basically just an organic store. They have a lot of organic food, a lot of organic veggies, fruits, nuts, nut creams, plant-based milks, just things like that, just everything that a vegan or a non-vegan would need. And they also have a lot of prepared meals, so it's great if you just want to pick up something that's not that expensive but still healthy and filling. So I think this time I just had like the quinoa thingy with the veggies, but I go here quite often. I just really wanted to mention the name of this if you're vegan and you're coming to Paris and you're on a budget, or you just don't have time to go to a restaurant. Go to Naturalia.
I'm saying like this.
Go to Naturalia because they have a lot of prepared meals that you can just pick up and yeah, just eat it while you're walking. This is what I do between my classes. I'm just like running around Paris and just trying to get food that is vegan and like still healthy. Yeah, I think this is it. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be. Hopefully it's not going to be too long. I hope it was somewhat helpful. I definitely want to do like a normal guide to vegan restaurants in Paris and like guide to vegan food in Paris, but yeah, I don't really have time this week to do that. So I hope that still you enjoyed this video. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you liked it. And yeah, I will see you soon. Bye!